Hi, kids. Today, you will learn about at the workshop. The workshop is where people use tools to build, fix, or create new things. Let's learn about some of the tools you can find in a workshop. Nut. N-U-T. Nut. Nails. N-A-I-L-S. Nails. Screws. S-C-R-E-W-S. Screws. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. Screwdriver. S-C-R-E-W-D-R-I-V-E-R. Screwdriver. Spanner. S-P-A-N-N-E-R. Spanner. Axe. A-X-E. Axe. Wire. W-I-R-E. Wire. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Hook. H-O-O-K. Hook. Hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R. Hammer. Hinge. H-I-N-G-E. Hinge. Chisel. C-H-I-S-E-L. Chisel. Pliers. P-L-I-E-R-S. Pliers. File. F-I-L-E. File. Learning about these tools helps you understand how things are made and fixed. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.